At Eva Women's Hospital, we are committed to advancing surgical excellence through focused education and hands-on learning. From June 16 to 18, we proudly present an advanced training workshop on 6 avascular spaces with ureteric tunnel dissection led by Dr. Deepak Limbachia.
This workshop aims to provide surgeons with a deeper understanding of the pelvic anatomy and enhanced laparoscopic dissection techniques. The training will focus on identification and dissection of the 6 avascular pelvic spaces and safe ureteric tunnel dissection. This will help in surgical precision, safety and confidence during complex gynecological procedures.
With the years of experience in the field of advanced gynecological laparoscopy, Dr. Deepak Limbachia brings years of surgical expertise, academic excellence and mentorship in this upcoming training program.
Each participant will receive a dedicated hands-on training opportunities, creating a practical learning experience under expert guidance. So get ready to enhance your laparoscopic skills and take a step forward towards surgical excellence at Eva Women's Hospital.